同学们好, it's Deng Lao Shi here again. This is the fourth and hopefully final video I need to post about how you guys can do your cooking assessment task at home this week. So what I want to do this time is just spend a little bit of time showing you how you can do some slides to finish off the task. So you can see here I've already got up a new presentation. I've just called it Cooking Slides Your Name. So obviously you put your name in there. Again, super important. What I want you to do before you start typing anything else, I want you to go up over here, click on share, and make sure that you share it with me. Okay. So once the box opens, you just type in my education email address. That's just my name, and then at education.nsw.gov.au. So you can see it here with mine. It's already come up. Yours might not do that because I'm the owner of this file. So you're gonna type that address into your into the box there. Make sure you share it with me. Yeah. So it's david.dunn DUN at education.nsw.gov.au. So you'll type that in there, click on done, and then share it with me. Okay, super important. So once you've done it, if you've used a template of mine, it's actually really easy to do, right? I've been using the lemon chicken recipe. So if I'm going to give it a title, all I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into my template. Right? This is the template for lemon chicken that I've been using. So I've got the name up here. Ning Mungchi is just lemon chicken. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to try and copy this. Right. Control C to copy. We come back into our slides and Control V to paste. Now, I'm not going to worry too much about the formatting. Okay, you can see I can make that bigger, I can center it, I can do all that stuff. I'm not really going to worry about that now because I'm sure you guys know how to do that. I just want to very quickly show you what you can do. So we've got it in there. We can add English subtitles. You can put lemon chicken in English as you like, if you like. In terms of the cooking steps, right? What we're going to do is I'm going to add another slide. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a quick look at the format of this slide, because basically all we're going to be doing here is adding a picture and a caption. Sorry, so if I just go into slide and I want to apply a layout, basically it's going to be caption. Alright, so now what we've got, it gives us space here to put a picture, and then we can add our Chinese text down the bottom. Now if we go back to our sheet, it's telling us, here's step 1, so it's take the water and flour and mix. Here's step 2. I'm just going to use step 3 as an example because that's what I've got a picture for. Alright, so step 3 is just take the chicken and flour and mix. Alright, so that's step 3 right there. So I'm going to take our Chinese. So that Chinese ba ji ro mian fen ban. So we'll Control C to copy that. We'll take it over to our slideshow, Control V to paste. There's our text. Now, I've gone online because I didn't actually cook this, and I found a picture of this particular step. So if I've just gone to the website, I'm on the screen to copy that, and let's paste that image and see what happens. Okay, I've got the mixing it with the flour and the frying it all at once. So I might need to crop that just to get rid of the bit that I don't want. So I'm just going to crop that. Let's do that. We'll bring it down. So you can see all I've done there. So imagine that you've done this at home. You've taken a picture of this step. Yeah, this is the picture of you mixing the chicken and the flour. So what I've got an image of the step, and I've taken the Chinese off of that worksheet for that particular step. And that's how you do this. Okay, it's just a matter of doing that for each particular step. Okay, it's just a matter of getting the Chinese for every step back off of our sheet, from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and then copying and pasting that Chinese into the slides with a picture if you have them. Okay, if like me you haven't actually made the dish, Another way you could do that is to just get 1 or 2 pictures off the internet, like one picture like this of one step, and then maybe another picture of the finished product, and then just putting all the steps together on the one slide. That's not a problem. Okay, but basically there are steps. All right. Once you've got them, once you've finished your slides, you need to upload it into Education Perfect, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So remember, to get to the Education Perfect assessment, it's in our Google Classroom. It looks something like this. If I can bring it up, yeah, the cooking assessment task. We've got a link to it there. You can click on that, log into Education Perfect, and that will take you. Okay, so in this version, I've submitted the speaking bit. That's why my extended response is half done. So if I just click straight back into here. Okay, so this brings us into the file picker. All right. Now, there's 2 ways of doing it. You can drag and drop if you're used to doing that, or you can go down to where it says Pick Files or Google Drive Upload. Now, if you've saved something on your computer, whatever that is, whether it's PowerPoint or you've made a video or whatever, you'd go into this one, and it brings up the file picker. And once your file pickers come up, you go to where you've stored your file, whether it's in your downloads or whatever, and you'll use that. Now, I'm not going to use that one because I've created Google Slides. If you've saved something on, this is what you'd use. This is what you would use. But if you've done Google Slides like I've done, you'll use the Google Drive Upload. And the Google Drive Upload is here down the bottom. Okay, so if you've used Google Slides, this is what we're going to do. So I click here. Okay, so it's asking me to sign in, which I'll do. And you can see that the file picker has brought up a whole bunch of my most recent files. Now, this is my cooking slides. The images are taking a little while to come up. But this is the cooking slides. That's the one we're just working on. It's just a matter of double clicking on that. And you can see here it's called Cooking Slide Your Name. That's what we called it. And that's it. I've done it. So I've clicked on it. It's up there. It's in as my files, and they're submitted. Remember, super important before you put them in there to make sure you've shared the slides with me so that I can open them and mark them. Once it's uploaded, again, we click on the green thing, self-mark answer. How did we do? Oh, I was a genius. We'll give myself 5 stars. Got it. And that's it. I'm done. You can see I've got a tick there next to my recording and a tick next to my slides. It tells me that I've done it. How confident am I? Extremely. How helpful did I find it? Oh, just the most helpful forever. And I'm not going to bother with feedback. That's it. You're done. So once you've done that, it's submitted. And again, guys, if you've got any problems, please post a question in your Google Classroom. I'll get on it as quick as I can, be able to help you. Most important thing, I think, out of all of this is to remember to share your documents with me. If you do that, then I can help you really easily. Good luck, and I hope you go well. Thanks, guys.